Welcome back guys to a new tutorial. In this tutorial you'll learn how to automatically manage supplier invoices using the n8n plus Airtable plus email notification. This workflow will pull supplier invoices from Airtable, will check if invoices are paid or overdue, will send automatic email reminders to suppliers for unpaid invoices, and keeps your finance team updated in the real time. This is perfect for small businesses, e-commerce stores, or accounting teams who want automated invoice management without manual tracking. So let's start the workflow, guys. First, you have the cron trigger. His purpose is to run the workflow automatically every day to check invoices. You can open this on the mode every day at 9 a.m. hour. This will ensure invoices are checked daily without the manual effort. Okay, after that, you have the Airtable node to list invoices. His purpose is to fetch all the suppliers' invoices from Airtable. On the configuration will be operation list, table name will be invoices, and the output for Airtable we want to be the supplier, the invoice number, the amount, the due date, the status, and the email. What it does, this pulls all the invoices to check their payment status. Let's continue. After that, you have the if node to check for unpaid or overdue invoices. On the branch true will be if JSON file status equal to unpaid. We'll filter the invoice that are unpaid or past their due date. Only unpaid invoices proceed to email reminders. So the true branch will go to email supplier reminder. So his purpose is to automatically email supplier for the unpaid invoices. Let's see configuration. From email no reply your company.com to email JSON file and email. Subject will be this invoice reminder JSON file invoice number, and the message will be this. Hello JSON file supplier, this is a friendly reminder that your invoice JSON file invoice number for JSON file amount is unpaid and due on JSON file due date. Please process the payment at your earliest convenience. Thank you, accounts team. What it does, keep supplier informed automatically, reducing overdue payments. And finally, we have the Slack node to notify the finance team. His purpose is to notify the internal finance team of all reminders sent. Configuration will be finance updated with the text invoice JSON file invoice number for JSON file supplier has been reminder. Amount JSON file amount, due date JSON file due date. What it does will keep your internal team updated about unpaid invoices. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial also. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next video. Bye bye.